Hi guys, my name is Anne-Katherine. I'm a second year grad student here in the physics department at UCI, and today I have a quick video for you all going over a cross-product problem. It is problem number 11 on the practice tutorial posted on Canvas for week 9. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so our problem is vectors A and B have magnitudes 3 and 2 respectively. The dot product of A and B is 3. What is the magnitude of the cross product of A cross B? So I like to start physics problems doing the same 3 steps pretty much every time. So the first step is to write down all of the given information. So that's what I am doing right now. We have the magnitude of A is 3, the magnitude of B is 2, and A dot B is 3. That's what we're given. Step 2 is to write down all relevant equations. And then step 3 is to draw a picture if applicable, but it's not really super useful here. So the first thing I wrote down is SOHCAHTOA, which is something to this day as a grad student I will say in my head when I'm doing anything with trig. We actually won't be using SOHCAHTOA this time, but usually when I have anything involving cosine or sine or tangent, I'll just write down SOHCAHTOA to remind myself what those mean. We also know that the magnitude of A dot B equals A times B times cosine theta, and the magnitude of A cross B equals A times B times sine theta. And those A and B's on the right side of those equations are the magnitudes. Okay, so we are given the value of the magnitude for A dot B. And we want to find the magnitude of the cross product, A cross B. So what we don't know in that cross product formula is theta. So we're going to use the dot product to find theta, and then we'll plug in that value at the end. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just kind of plugging and chugging here in that first formula. So 3 equals 3 times 2 times cosine theta. And again, we're solving for theta here. Then we get 3 equals 6 cosine theta, and then dividing both sides by 6, 1/2 equals cosine theta, and then theta equals cosine inverse of 1/2. Pretty straightforward, hopefully. And that is equal to 60 degrees. So we just found that the angle between the two vectors equals 60 degrees. And now we can plug in that angle to find our cross product, A cross B. So we know from that second formula, A cross B equals 3 times 2, which are just the magnitudes of A and B, times sine of 60, which is the angle that we just found. Those two angles in the dot product and cross product formulas are the same theta. They're just the angle between A and B. So 3 times 2 is 6, and sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. And we're asked to give the answer in 2 significant figures, so I'm rounding here on my answer. So 6 times root 3 over 2 is 5.20 approximately. And we're done. Hopefully this was helpful.